Today we've got an M340i in for Ghost Immobiliser. Customer wanted to secure his new vehicle, 2021. Absolutely gorgeous. Now let's give you a demo video of the Ghost Immobiliser we've just installed. Here's the key and let's get into the car. What an amazing car. No, we've not supplied that to the customer. We'll put the car in ignition. Let's give it a start. Now I've not put the code in, and let's see what the car does.
What am I saving for? My passion, food photography.
I trained to be a landscape garden designer.
Open a food stall and sell my famous fish tacos.
Car's completely cut off and won't start driving unless you've put the sequence of code into the factory buttons.
Waiting for? Make your one day happen.
Let's do that. Let's put the car in ignition.
Your capital is at risk. Tax rules may
Let's
change.
put the
Full
code
terms
in.
for stocks and shares are available on our website. 18 plus UK residents.
Tesco Mobile would like to
Let's have a look. There we go. We get the confirmation.
other mobile networks. For years, they've
Let's
been
give the
fighting
car
with
start now,
contracts,
and let's see what the
making
car
nearly
does.
£1 billion extra since 2013.
There we go.
And this spring,
Car
they'll
is
do it again.
mobile
That's
and ready to
a
go.
big Sims.
If
Whereas
you want your
Tesco
Ghost
Mobile
Immobiliser
have
fitted, it's just
contracts
$449.
ever. So
Supplied
if you
and
have
fitted
your
at
price
Team
for your whole
Autotech.
contract, come and say hello. Tesco Mobile.